Hey guys, today's video will install wheel spacers. Hub-centric wheel spacers better for Maserati GT.
When shopping for wheel spacers, Hub-centric sets are the priority. A Hub-centric spacers come with a middle center ring, which is specially machined to fit your vehicle hub.
As long as you use high-quality wheel spacers and install them properly, they are safe. BONOSS is always concerned about the safety. We use forged aluminum alloy 6061T6 material. Modern CNC machining by 0.02 mm tolerance.
BONOSS wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage Hub-centric rings. The multi-layers design provides the bevels to fit the corresponding hub bases. This effectively ensures a firm wheel connection and a better load transition.
So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions about Hub-centric wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.